Muddypaws, written by Moira Butterfield, published by Paragon Books. It was a special day for Ben. He had a new puppy. "I'll teach you all the things I know," said Ben. "But first, I need to choose a name for you. I'll need to think hard about it. It has to be just perfect." "I don't really mind what name you choose, as long as you give me lots of cuddles," thought the new puppy. Ben looked around his bedroom to see if he could find an idea for the perfect puppy name. "I'll look in my storybook," he said. But none of the names in the book were right for his new puppy. "I think I'll leave you to hunt for names," thought the new puppy. "I'd rather look behind that flower pot." The little puppy crept over. He sniffed. And then he climbed. Oops! He didn't mean to knock the flower pot over. But that's just what he did. He made muddy paw prints everywhere. "Let's go to the park. I might be able to think of a good name there," said Ben. "I'd rather look behind that tree," thought the little puppy. So he ran, and he ran. He didn't mean to jump in the mud, but squelch! That's just what he did. He made muddy paw prints everywhere. Ben's neighbors were having a party in their backyard. "One of the guests might be able to think of a good name for you," said Ben. "Let's go and ask them." "I'd rather look in the pond," thought the new puppy. So he leaned over, and he leaned over a little bit more. He didn't mean to fall in the pond, but splosh! That's just what he did. He made muddy paw prints everywhere. "We'd better go home and clean you up," said Ben. "I'd rather go digging in the backyard," thought the new puppy. So he dug, and he dug, and he dug. This time he found lots of things: a lost ring, an old wrench, and a toy car that Ben had lost. He didn't mean to bring all that mud indoors, but pitter-patter, that's just what he did. He made muddy paw prints everywhere. And he didn't mean to find a name for himself at last, but guess what? That's just what he did. You are the muddiest, funniest puppy there ever was. There's only one name for you left, Ben. Muddypaws. The end.